there, health enthusiasts! Ready to unlock the power of superfoods and make your diet healthier than ever? Let's dive in! First up, eat the rainbow. Try to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. The more colors, the better. Think reds, greens, purples, and yellows, all packed with different nutrients. Next, choose whole foods. Opt for whole fruits and vegetables over juices and powders. Whole foods are less processed and have more fiber and nutrients. Don't forget plant-based proteins. Try incorporating beans and peas into your meals or replace some ground meat with beans. It's an easy way to boost protein without overloading on meat. Switch to whole grains. Choose whole grain bread over white bread for more fiber. It keeps you fuller longer and helps with digestion. Nuts are your new best friend. They're a great source of plant protein and healthy fats. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for a crunchy, nutritious boost. Use olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and vitamins E and K. Drizzle it over vegetables or use it in place of butter or margarine. Spice things up. Add spices like turmeric, cumin, oregano, ginger, clove, and cinnamon to increase the antioxidant content of your meals. They not only add flavor, but also come with amazing health benefits. And finally, consider superfood powders. Mix them with liquid, fruits, veggies, and ice to make a tasty beverage. It's an easy way to get a nutrient boost on the go. Remember, before making significant changes to your diet, talk to your doctor. Some superfoods may interfere with medications, especially if you have a chronic condition. That's it for today. Stay healthy, eat the rainbow, and keep those superfoods coming. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.